Hi folks, I'm Brent Coker. This is episode 9 of my 18 Marketing Tips in 18 Days series, where I discuss a marketing topic that's perhaps less well known, but has a hugely powerful effect on consumer behavior. Today's episode, I'm going to talk about mixing emotions to drive content engagement. Now, I think most marketers understand the idea that you really have to make content emotional if you want to drive people's sharing. What's less well understood, though, is the mechanism behind that and what makes it work. What actually drives content engagement is the arousal that's caused by the emotion. So actually, the way to drive engagement when it comes to content is maximizing the arousal. The way to do that is to mix emotions of opposite valence. So emotions come in different valences. There's negative valence emotions like hate and fear, and then there's positive valence emotions like love and joy. What we want to do is mix emotions from each side, some negative, some positive. Let me give you an analogy to describe how this works. Let's say you're in a casino and you've got your last $20 chip and you're going to gamble it. Now, you might have a lot of money in the bank and you don't really care whether you lose it, but you're going to try and win anyway and you hope that you do win. So you place your bet and it turns out that you win. Great. You've gone from a state of kind of indifference to a state of joy, but it's not really something to tell your friends about. Contrast that situation to scenario B, where you've got your $20 chip. It's the last $20 that you have in the world. You've got $0 in the bank. You place your bet. Now, you're really hoping that you win this time. So you're going from a state of fear of losing, because if you lose, you're going to go hungry tomorrow. Then you end up winning. Now you've got a state of elation and relief. You've gone from a state of negativity to positivity. That's a much, much greater effect. The arousal will be much, much higher, and you'll end up telling people about what happened. So the lesson is, when you're creating content, you want to choose emotions of opposite valence. So this is episode 9 of my 18. I'm Brent Coker. Thanks for watching. See you next time.